treat for you guys. The original Scion XB. First generation, not the crappy second one, but the good one. It's in relatively good shape for its age, except for some cancer up here from a bad windshield replacement. What a surprise. This one's an 05. It's purple. Aftermarket cruise. Look, no rips. I don't believe it. The seat is actually in pretty good shape, especially considering it has, I gotta put the key in, sorry, 256,399 miles. Holy moly. So, inside is, wow, focus, you piece of shit phone. The interior is actually in pretty good shape. There we go. Look at this useless mirror. Great. The seats are nice. The carpet's actually in good shape. Here's the back. That's in good shape. Actually, that opens. I'll just open it. I didn't realize these had electronic latches. Yeah, even back here, it's in relatively good shape. It's an interesting car. I like it a lot. However, it does have a problem, a big problem. It runs like crap. You got check engine light, and after a minute the ABS and traction control lights come on. There they are. And it's got a broken exhaust pipe, but you can hear it. So we're gonna start with the basics. New plugs. The best engine ever made. 1NZ-FE 1.5 liter 4-cylinder with the 4-speed automatic that is damn near bulletproof. Now you guys, you can see my older video about changing the spark plugs on my Prius, which has basically the same engine as this, to see that, so I'm not going to show it again, but I'll show you what the ones that come out of it look like. There's the coils out. You can see some of them have oil on them, so we're going to have to do a valve cover gasket on this too, which is fine. See, the engine's disgusting. I have a new gasket for it sitting around here, but those were not easy to pull off there, so that one really was easy, and so was 4, but 3 and 1 were pretty stuck. See how bad these plugs are. Oh, they're not super bad, but they're Bosch. Ugh, that's bad for Toyota. Toyota doesn't like that. They're all not installed very well either. So, ugh, be a good thing those are coming out. So I replaced one of the coils because it came with a new one. The cylinder 2 coil was kind of rusty inside. Put new plugs in and cleaned the mass airflow sensor. And now, smooth as can be. Needs an air filter real bad, so we're gonna go get one. And a belt. As you can hear, it's squeaky. And it's due for an oil change. Smooth can be though. It runs great. Toyota quality, I tell you what. These 1.5s, oh man, they're a good engine. They're resilient. So we'll get an air filter for it and get the exhaust fixed sometime soon. Change its oil. It should be a-okay. Besides maybe some other minor issues I'll have to figure out, but so far so good. See ya. There's a little piece of maintenance that always gets forgotten. Still makes noise, but ugh, yummy. So we got a new one right there. Where are you? Oops, there we go. There, that'll go in. So I didn't record the process of fixing this, but here's the aftermath. So the Scion came with a right side actuator, which both right side ones work fine. The driver door one doesn't work, and here's why. This little guy. Toast! I tried taking it apart and cleaning the brushes, and that didn't work. So the right side actuator I cut open, as you can see, and took its motor and put it into the driver door actuator. So now my power lock works again. Great success for free. Ooh, man, it's cold out today. But yeah, check this out. Lock! Unlock! So, both those ones work over there. However, that one is still bad. So I need to get an actuator for the back door there. But we did replace the belt and the exhaust. So it's quiet now and no squeaky. Look at that. Excellent. Oh, I also wanted to show this. The previous owner installed this thing, so it's an aux cord for the radio that doesn't support it. I've seen these online. So what it does is you press the disc button and it just sits like that, like a CD changer, which is funny because you can actually change the tracks, I think, to nothing. I mean, there's no track. 9 tracks, I guess. Okay, weird. Anyway, so there's a box back there that interfaces with that and then goes to the cable. So, yep, cable. So that's cool. Now, what I'll probably do is take that out and replace that head unit if I keep the car. Well, regardless, I'm going to take that out because my wife's RX there doesn't have an input on it either. But that box will work on her car, and hers has like where it's integrated with the navigation system and everything. So just throwing an aftermarket deck in that's not going to happen. But so yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah, and this works still. I mean, it's fine. It's just, oh, turn that down. Yeah. Oh, and I had to replace another coil pack on this. I went and grabbed some off of a wrecked Prius from the junkyard for next to nothing, and there was 2 on here that were replaced. One I did and one someone else did before. So I used the lower mileage Prius ones on the other 2 that were not replaced yet, and now it's fine. No check engine lights, no problems. And yeah, very good. So I have to try to fix the windshield top before it gets much worse out. I have to finish a car in the garage first and bring this in and sand and put some Pour 15 on that or whatever the case might be. But yeah, and that's it basically until it warms up. The air conditioner doesn't work, but it's cold out, so we'll figure that out later. Must have leaked out. But that's about it. We'll go for a quick drive. Oh boy, it's Zuzu! Yeah, what happened out here? It was like nice out a few days ago, and now today, not anymore. Winter is definitely getting here. Fortunately, the Scion is running great. It has decent heat, which I'm going to turn on a little because it's cold. And it's ready for some junkyard adventures. Oh, it needs a cabin air filter. I'll go get one of those today.